This video is all about improving your index searching. A search index is a database that keeps track of all index file names, properties, the contents of the file, and the email message. So, whenever you search for any file, folder, or program, Windows 7 first checks the index and returns results it finds there. By default, search index is stored in program data. So let's see how can we optimize our search index. Go to control panel, then index options. Over there you can see indexing options, and you can do the modify, select all the drives, or in this case we have only drive C. Click show all locations. We do have again the same location, and in advanced you can also select index encrypted files. Yeah, you can select like that, and current location, file types that you want to index. There's all various types of files included. Index files and columns contains index. Then you can add a new one, any kind of new extension that you want to add. Index. Here we are. This is how we can optimize our search index. Hope this video helped a lot. Yes.